In this video I continue my trip up the coast of Australia.
Flex band.
And I also see some incredible landscapes along the way.
Now to this viewpoint.
Oh, hello everybody. I just got back from a boat trip.
I had been out on a boat in the Whitsunday Islands, but it was time to continue my trip.
Now I'm back here in my van. I've been driving up along the east coast of Australia.
I've been driving for about 1 hour and I'm almost in the next city called Bowen. I'm always really excited when I go to a new city because I get tired of a city in like 2 or 3 days. Once I've seen everything, then I just want to go to the next place.
I had almost finished my mission of driving up the east coast of Australia. Now I was in the northeast part of the country in the state of Queensland. The landscape was incredible and it was time to go for a walk on the beach.
This is the city of Bowen with just 10,000 people located out in the Whitsunday region.
Bowen is one of many quiet and small towns located on the east coast of Australia. It's situated on a small peninsula in an area filled with rocks and beaches. In the background you can see mountains that are part of the Great Dividing Range.
Oh, hello, I'm on the road again. I left the city of Bowen. I was only there for about 30 minutes and then I saw everything. Now I'm on the road driving out to a city called Townsville. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere in the Australian wilderness somewhere.
I kept driving up north, passing by many small towns and empty roads. I had another 200 kilometers to drive up to the city of Townsville, but the evening came closer.
I'm here in the north part of Queensland somewhere. It's still about 33 degrees Celsius. The sun is about to set.
There was an incredible sunset and I stopped on the side of the road to sleep there in the back of my van.
Good morning everybody. I'm here in a city called Townsville in Australia, the north part of Australia in Queensland. I'm in a park and I'm gonna go running.
Have the Vacation Flex band that you can buy from both vacationvilliam.com and litside.com. I've been traveling for the past 5 months, not in the shape that I used to be, but this flex band has definitely helped me to sort of maintain my shape. It's really easy, you can do it.
I hadn't been to a gym in 5 months, but could maintain my shape with the help of my flex band.
You can basically do everything with this fitness band. Chest, biceps, shoulders, back. And much easier to do a quick workout with this flex band. Just bring it with you. You can have a workout done in just 30 minutes. Oh, hello, I just took a shower here behind my van. Now I'm just sitting here making some pasta, living the good life. I enjoy life more when it's not really good. Now I get to eat pasta, I get to travel, I get to see all of Australia.
Life can be really simple, but most people insist on making it complicated.
It's a beautiful day today. I'm just sitting here enjoying my pasta and tuna. And I'm actually pretty happy.
Oh hello, I'm here in my van. Transferring some files to my computer. Still in the park, but I'm gonna go do something very soon. Okay, I'm on my way into Townsville to check it out.
Welcome everybody to Townsville, a city in the northeast part of Queensland. It's really nice here, it's about 32 degrees Celsius. And the reason why you don't see any people swimming here is because of the stingers.
No swimming.
The marine stingers can be fatal to humans, and there are also saltwater crocodiles here in these waters. That's one of the main reasons why you don't see people swimming.
The city of Townsville has a population of 180,000 people, and it's a coastal city in the state of Queensland. Along the esplanade there are swimming pools and long beaches. The ocean goes in through the city, where there's also a marina with lots of sailboats and other boats.
The Anzac park has some very interesting trees, flowers and bushes. Hello!
There are a lot of strange trees in Australia. This tree had a lot of vines, and I couldn't resist climbing up.
Outside the Anzac Park, we have the Breakwater Marina.
The Breakwater Marina in the middle of the city is where all the boats go out to the barrier reef from.
Time to go swimming.
The temperature was 33 degrees Celsius, so I had to cool off before I continue my trip.
You never really get enough of this amazing view of Townsville. There are so many sailboats and nice areas. Here we have the rock pool at the end of the strand, which is the long walkway along the 3 beaches.
In the middle of the city there is a big cliff that you can hike up to.
This is the Castle Hill Lookout. Here you have many different trails and viewpoints overlooking the city.
When you get higher up in the mountains, you will have an incredible view overlooking the city and the ocean.
I highly recommend going out to this viewpoint. You will have a panoramic view with 360 degrees all over the city. I'm back here in my van. I just finished one full day of exploring the city of Townsville. It's actually a pretty nice city. I like it. There are a lot of people that do sports, active people. The beach is nice. I just parked my van here. I'm gonna go to the toilet and also take a shower. It's been a great day actually. Now I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna eat some food.
I'm making the food here on my stove in the back of the van.
Time to fill up my water container again. I have water in my van.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.